it's Kerry here, and today I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo in Microsoft Picture Manager. So we click on the Start button and go to our picture file, and I'm choosing this picture to edit. So we just click once on it, then right click and click Open with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Now you may not have Microsoft Office Picture Manager on your computer, but it's likely that you will have some type of photo editing software. So locate that, and yours will be fairly similar, I would think, to edit your pictures. So the first thing you do is click on Edit Pictures, and we can do all these different things. And the first thing, because this photo looks not contrasted enough, I'm going to click on Brightness and Contrast. And the first thing we're going to do is to bring up the contrast a bit so that you can see the photo already looks clearer. Might do one more click there. And then brightness, I think, is pretty good. And so we'll leave it at that, and we go back and click again on Edit Pictures, and then I want to crop this picture because I think it's got too much sky, and we can just edit that a little bit. Now if you grab hold of any of these black marks around it, then you can pull them in to where you want. But if I just pull this down, it will crop the sky, it will clip off that white part at the top, but it will not leave the photo in the correct proportion. So I'm going to put that back at the top, and what we can do, if we pull in the corner one, it will cut off a bit of the right hand side, but it will also bring down the sky section, which is what I want to do, and it will keep the photo in proportion. So let's have a look at that, and I think that's more what I would like to see. So when you're happy with it, you can pull these in or out and move them around, and or bring it up from the bottom if you want to get rid of some of the water, and it will keep your photo in proportion. So then I'm going to click OK, and it enlarges the photo to fill the whole frame, but now we've had some of the sky cut off and some of the right hand trees cut off as well, and I think that photo is much improved. If you go back to Edit Pictures, you can see that you can also rotate and flip pictures. So if you had a portrait and you wanted it facing the other way, you can flip it either horizontally or vertically. You can rotate the photo to the left or the right. And so there are a variety of things that you can do here, and you see red eye removal. Now, compress pictures is if you wanted to use this photo in a web page or an email message, you would click on that, click OK, and it will compress it suitable for web pages and emails. If we go again to Edit Pictures, you can actually resize this picture. You can either type in a custom width and height, or you can put in a particular percentage. So for instance, if I wanted only this photo to be 50% of its size, that will bring it down to 1352 instead of the 2,500 pixels I think it was before. Then you just, when it's correct and you've got the photo that you want, then you just click on File and Save As, and it's opened up my picture file, so I will just save it in there. So you can see that editing a photo is very simple.